Welcome back to Automatic Addiction. The 2025 Porsche 718 Cayman is poised to uphold Porsche's reputation for delivering high-performance sports cars that excel in precision engineering and driving pleasure. The 2025 718 Cayman will retain its signature sleek, low-profile stance, emphasizing aerodynamic efficiency. Expect a streamlined design enhanced with modern updates that not only boost its visual appeal but also its performance. Look for refreshed LED headlights, a more refined front bumper, and larger air intakes designed to improve cooling. Sporty touches such as wider fenders, an integrated rear spoiler, and aerodynamic enhancements will contribute to its high-speed stability. Inside, the 2025 Cayman will focus on driver engagement and luxury. Anticipate a cockpit crafted from premium materials, including high-quality leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents. The cabin will likely feature a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a high-resolution touchscreen, seamless smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and advanced navigation options. Additional amenities may include customizable ambient lighting, a digital instrument cluster, and a premium sound system, all designed to enhance driving comfort and experience. The 2025 718 Cayman is expected to offer a range of powerful engines. The base model will likely come with a turbocharged 2.0-liter flat-4 engine producing approximately 300 horsepower. Higher trims, such as the Cayman S or GTS, may feature a turbocharged 2.5-liter flat-4 or a 4.0-liter flat-6 engine, with outputs exceeding 400 horsepower. Both a 6-speed manual transmission and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, PDK, are anticipated, providing a perfect balance between driving engagement and convenience. Modern driver assistance features are expected to include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. Additional safety and convenience features may be available depending on the trim level. Connectivity options will likely include Bluetooth, USB ports, and potentially wireless charging. Porsche's infotainment system is expected to support the latest software updates and app integration for a seamless user experience. The 2025 Porsche 718 Cayman is projected to start around $60,000 for the base model. Higher trims, such as the Cayman S or GTS, could see prices reach $80,000 or more, depending on engine options and additional features. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and exclusive content on automotive innovation. Thank you for watching.